Hello, Father.
Fee. You're fighting a losing battle, Fee. There are three things you'll never defeat here in the Outback: the dust, the heat, and the flies.
You're certainly not like New Zealand priests. They keep very much to themselves.
You're not a Catholic, are you?
When I lost faith in my own church, I saw no reason to espouse a creed that is equally meaningless to me. But Paddy's a Catholic, and we're rearing the children Catholic, if it's worrying you.
It isn't. And I won't try to convert you. But I would like to be your friend.
You're very kind to us.
I like to know my parishioners. So I make the rounds of all the stations. But I must confess to a special weakness for Drogheda. Perhaps it's my Irish blood.
Irish? I thought you were of French background.
No, de Bricassar is an old Norman name, but I'm Irish, all right. And the last of the de Bricassar line. In fact, I was born in County Meath, just a stone's throw from the town of Drogheda. Call it fate.
Bye, Meggie. Wish you could go.
Have fun, Stewie.
Poor little Meggie. Must be hard being the only girl.
But I've been blessed with sons. These and two I've buried. It's her sons a mother thinks of, isn't it? Meggie, don't dawdle. You've got the chickens to feed.
Father Ralph!
Excuse me.
Father Ralph! Father Ralph!
Hello, Megan Cleary. Ah. Let's go feed those chookies, shall we?
Yes, but Father, there's something I must show you first. Come on.
What is it, Meggie?
Isn't it beautiful, Father?
Yes, I suppose it is.
Father, do you suppose that God is really all around us all the time?
What makes you ask me that, my little girl?
Because if he is, I think he must be here. Don't you?
Ah, God is in his wool room. All is right with the world.
And why not? He did choose a stable once.
Oh, come on, Ralph, that's a bit precious. Except why not? Why not make this the epicenter of the papal map, and then you could be cardinal after all.
And what would that make you? Surely not the Pope.
Oh, no, that's too dull. Satan, perhaps that's more interesting.
And more powerful.
Well, every heaven needs one just to stay in business.
You argue like a Jesuit.
Well, isn't it true? Without Satan, there's no struggle. And it's the struggle that keeps us alive.
Oh, no. What keeps us alive is the point of that struggle. The hope of attaining perfection.
Well, by perfection, you mean heaven. But you have to die to get there, don't you?
Sometimes, Mary, I think you're after my very soul.
I am. Unless it's already been taken.